Okay students, very warm welcome you all in your science class. I hope you all are fine at your home. In your previous class, we have discussed about birds, different features of birds like their beak, feathers, wings, okay, and their feet. Now nests of the birds. Where do we live? We live in our house, okay. Our house protect us from hot, cold, different type of weathers, different animals. Just like that, nest, which is the house of the bird, protect them from different type of dangers. So birds live in the nest, but different birds have different type of nests. So now we will discuss about the nests of the birds. Birds build nests using leaves, straw, twigs, wool, cotton and thread. I hope you all know all these words and the meaning of twigs. Small branch, patli shakha. Okay, birds nest protect them from different type of danger and bad weather. We can see birds nest on trees, on the terrace of buildings and sometimes even on the ceiling fans. Birds lay egg in their nest except one bird who did not lay their eggs in their own nest. And you know what is the name of that bird? Cuckoo, koyal. Koyal lays their eggs in the nest of crows. Tailor bird uses their beak. They have their very sharp beak which help them to sew the leaves, and through that they make their nest. It also uses materials such as thread and wool to sew the leaves. Weave bird uses their beak to weave pieces of leaves or grass or twigs to build a nest. Weave bird make their nest which has an opening through which bird can enter in their nest. Okay. A woodpecker. A woodpecker is a bird who has very sharp long beak through which they make their nest or make their home in the tree trunk. A woodpecker uses its beak to peck into tree trunk and make a hole for a nest. It uses these holes as a nest and lines it with the fine strip of the woods. Now penguins. Penguins live in a very cold places. It is very difficult for them to find these material like twigs, straw, grass at that place. Penguins collect stones and pebbles and make their nest on the ground. What is pebbles? Pebbles is a small stone. Okay. So penguin collect stone and small pebbles through which they build their nest on the ground. Sparrow, bulbul and hummingbirds make cup-shaped nests. Their nests are cup-shaped. Okay. This is the most common type of nest. The cup-shaped nest protect the eggs and the baby birds and keep them from falling off. Birds of the nest also protect the baby birds or the eggs of the birds from the falling off. Okay, so birds make their own home. So never break the nest of the bird. It is their home. Okay. Nest is very precious for the birds. Okay. Now we will discuss about some special feature of birds. Like ostriches, emus and penguins are birds that cannot fly. There are different type of birds and these birds has wings but still they cannot fly, and that type of birds are known as flightless or running birds, And some example of that type of birds are ostriches, emus and penguins. Okay, the eggs of the ostrich are very large, and ostrich is also known as the largest bird. A cuckoo does not build a nest, as I have taught you that a quail does not build a nest. It lays eggs in the nest of the other birds. Parrots can imitate our voice and talk like us. Parrots has an ability to copy us. Pigeons can fly for very long time. And earlier, pigeons are used to carry letters from one place to different place, and they are very smart. Pigeons mostly stay near human homes, usually in nooks and corners or the roofs. What is the national bird of India? Peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. It has beautiful feathers. Peacock has very beautiful feathers. Understand? Hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It can even fly backward. Very strange. Hummingbird even fly backward. Now tell me, what is the largest bird of the world and what is the smallest bird of the world? Ostrich is the largest bird while hummingbird is the smallest bird of the world. Many birds fly, such as cranes, long distances for food, shelter and to escape unfavorable weather conditions. This is called migration. What is migration? When birds move from one place to another place in the search of food and shelter, this is called migration. Now what is swivel? Swivel to turn around one without moving the other. Owl can turn their one eye without move their another eye. So these are some important features of birds. In your next class, we will discuss about the special care of birds. That's all for today. Thank you.